Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut with red cabbage. Shred cabbage, sprinkle salt, and massage until it releases liquid. Pack the cabbage tightly into a jar, pressing down to remove air pockets and submerge it in its brine. We will weight the cabbage, seal the jar loosely for gas escape, and taste as it ferments for 1 to 2 weeks depending on flavor. In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut with red cabbage. Start by weighing your cabbage and calculating 2% salt by weight, then sprinkle evenly. Massage vigorously until the cabbage softens and a briny liquid appears to cover the shreds. Pack the cabbage tightly into a clean jar, pressing down so the brine rises above the vegetables. Leave headspace, apply a weight, and monitor the bubbling for safe fermentation. In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut with red cabbage. Store jars in a cool, consistent spot between 65 degrees F and 75 degrees F, and check them daily for bubbling and taste. If using sealed lids, open them briefly to release gas and press the cabbage down to keep it submerged. Start tasting at 1 week and move it to the fridge when it reaches your preferred tangy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.